Hello friends, in this video I will be solving GATE 2019 1 mark network questions. This is the first question in which we have to find out the value of current I. Let's assume the voltage at this node to be V. By applying KCL, I plus 2 is equal to V minus phi I upon 3. But I is 20 minus V upon 2. Therefore, V is equal to 20 minus 2I. Now, I plus 2 is equal to 20 minus 2I minus 5I upon 2. Therefore, this is 3. Therefore, 3I plus 6 is equal to 20 minus 7I. Therefore, 10I is equal to 14. Therefore, I is equal to 1.4 amperes. In this question, we have to find out the maximum value of DC offset of the current. Let the voltage across resistor be VR and the voltage across inductor be VL. Now, by applying KVL, V of t is equal to VR plus VL is equal to I into R plus L di by dt. Therefore, di by dt plus R by L into I is equal to V of t by L. This is a first order linear differential equation. Its solution can be found out by calculating for complementary function CF and particular integral PI. CF refers to the transient state of the network and PI refers to steady state of the network. First of all, for complementary function, put V of t is equal to 0 and let the current in this case be IT. So dit upon dt, where IT is the transient current, plus R by L IT is equal to 0. Therefore, its solution is IT is equal to K e raised to minus R by L into T. This is because if we have an equation dy by dx plus py is equal to 0, we know its solution is y is equal to K e raised to minus px. So let's name this equation as equation number 1. And now for particular integral. Let's construct this circuit once again. V of t over here. This is your resistor, inductor. The current be ISS or JXL. XL is equal to omega L is equal to omega is 377 from here, 377 into 10 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to 3.77 ohms. Therefore, ISS is equal to V of t upon r plus jxl is equal to 150 sine of 377t plus theta upon 3.77 plus j 3.77. Now 150 sine 377t plus theta can be written as 150 angle theta upon 3.77 plus j 3.77 can be written as 5.33 angle 45 degree is equal to 28.14 angle theta minus 45 degree. This can be written as ISS is equal to 28.14 sine of 377t plus theta minus 45 degree. Therefore, the total current I is sum of transient current plus steady state current. Therefore, I is equal to k e raised to minus 377t plus 28.14 sine of 377t plus theta minus 45 degree. At t is equal to 0, the current I is 0, since the given circuit will be transient and the inductor will act as an open circuit at t equal to 0. Therefore 0 is equal to k plus 28.14 sine of theta minus 45 degree. Therefore k is equal to minus 28.14 sine of theta minus 45 degree. Now for maximum value of DC offset, the value of k should be maximum. And now k will be maximum when sine theta minus 45 degree is minus 1, and thus theta should be minus 45 degree, and hence the correct answer is option B, theta is equal to minus 45 degree.